Hey, Roland Ho?
Who's asking?
My name's Wei Shen.
Ah, Wei. You got friends in high places, my boy. I hear you and Winston have been making trouble with Dog Eyes.
Dog Eyes has been asking for trouble.
I remember when I was like you, always looking for a fight, ready to kill anyone who so much as looked at me sideways. Here's a tip for you, kid. Don't take on a boss in your own triad unless you know for a fact someone else is gonna back you up. Hierarchy is the only thing anyone cares about. Always have, always will.
Thanks for the advice, old-timer. So, when can we get to work?
Okay, big man. 我睇你點做. Patsy Wing. Bad luck at Mahjong. You'll need this. Collect what she owes.
Hey, Jackie.
Just checking in, man. I heard things were kind of intense. Wanted to make sure you're still with us, you know?
Uncle Poe seems to have a handle on who's causing the trouble.
That's a relief.
Look, I gotta go, Jackie. Gotta see a lady about some money. You're gonna pay up, you understand? Shit, that's a lot of muscle. That's the problem. You old guy like rolling home money, you gotta pay.
I'm sorry.
I don't care if you're sorry. I care if you have the money.
I know, I'm sorry.
Hey, stop saying that.
Sorry.
Look,
The car. Who has drugs in the back? That should cover my debt. Don't hurt me. I'm sorry.
wasn't gonna do anything to that.
You got the money?
No, next best thing though. Got a car loaded with dope.
All right, you'll have to do. Bring it back here as soon as you can. Don't drive around in a stash car any longer than you have to.
Raymond,
Shen, finally. Where the hell have you been?
look,
Do you have any idea what's going on? What happened at the warehouse?
Raymond, do you ever actually read my reports?
Your reports? All I have to do is read the goddamn newspapers. They're calling it a massacre. If it ever came out that the police were involved, we're dead.
It won't.
Well, you can't know that. You at least could have turned Siwa over to us. It would have helped our case.
That would have put the entire operation at risk. What does Penju say?
You know, he's not your handle, Wei. I am.
Well, then fucking handle it, Raymond. Well, how'd you think this was gonna go down? Huh? Whatever it takes. You remember that? You wanted results, and you can't get them sitting behind a desk, nose in a rulebook, with a stick up your ass. Look, Raymond, I am doing what needs to be done.
No, you've crossed the line, Wei. I'm gonna terminate this operation.
You can't do that. Pendrew won't allow it.
Pendrew may like to take chances, I don't. And you are dangerous.
Fine. But before you go back to your office to try and pull the plug, go ahead and tell Pendrew that I just met the chairman of the Sun On Yee.
The chairman? Wait, you're just a foot soldier.
Well, this foot soldier has just been marked for promotion because I made sure Suwa got out safely. It'll be in my report, and maybe this time you'll actually read it.
My father used to always say it's all about money, and he was right.
I saw all those texts you sent her.
That was Chung. He borrowed my phone.
What kind of idiot do you think I am? Am I a stupid immigrant? No.
你話我話，人梗係要趁後生講下㗎啦。
我有上有你
Wait, can you help me out? I'm leaving in a few seconds. All I need is a good driver.
What is it this time?
Let's go.
What the hell was that?
Yeah, shoplifter Yig was cheating at the cards last night. Thought I'd teach him a lesson.
Some fucking lesson.
Bet he doesn't cheat again. Damn. The cops are on us.
Oh shit.
Think you can lose him?
Yo, for this shit, you gotta learn to drive.
Get behind us. Come on, Ray. I thought you was a good driver. Maybe I should have done the driving. Hey, you don't drive like this normally, do you? I think you lost him. Hey, you can just let me off anyway. Are you on drugs, man? You're driving crazy.
Mr. Shen!
Hey man, how's it going?
I just finished another race. I'd have won, but Big Nose Chan cheated. He called the cops on me just as I was getting to the finish line. I barely escaped. Will you teach him not to pull that shit on your turf?
Yeah, sure.
That's too crack for school.
Wrecking a man's car? Don't you know that's how he makes a living? That's too crack for school.
We have an armed robbery escalating to a gunfight. We need a tactical unit on the scene.
We're coming as fast as we can.
Can we bring him in alive?
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Stop struggling. You're under arrest.
The paperwork for this is going to be insane. I have no idea how many bullets I fired.
Bring the dressing room right into your home with Ikuze's stunning new online collection of sportswear. Check out our stylish new swimwear, sporty blazers and jackets, plus a whole range of tops, shorts and accessories. Ikuze, nobody's bigger for sportswear.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Shan. Your vehicles are all good to go. Give me a call if you need something.
當你想食嘢嘅時候，冇嘢好得過嚟 Big Taste 火鍋蛋。為你嘅生活添上熱辣辣嘅感覺，灼煮食 Big Taste 火鍋，熱辣辣。
He was part of the family, cherished and adored. Then tragedy struck. Peter the Pig left home for an adventure. An epic story that will have you crying in the aisles. Ghost Pig, winner of 5 awards. Shown in a cinema near you.